Alright, boys. I'm fucking done. Holy shit. That was a fucking butt clincher. What's going on, YouTube? Payout Pete here, back with another trade review. We are in price discovery mode at these lows outside of the 90-day profile. I think my plan today was pretty much to just play the day's profile and just stay short based on the last couple of days price action. We've just been selling off every day, so I'm not really looking to press the long button at all. Drop on down to the 5-minute. We started chopping in this range from 640 to 560, and I was looking to scalp this range, but only do so short because I don't want to fade this massive trend move down that we've been essentially selling off every day. So I didn't want to press the buy button, and I got short around the 9 EMA just because it's been holding for the last couple of days after such strong moves down, and so that's where most of my trades took place today. It was either between the 9 and the 20 EMA, sort of trying to enter a position when I noticed the tape turns. So right around here, as price was ripping up after this major sell-off, I just had a limit order set at the high. Unfortunately, I got stopped out to the tick, and then the move went down. Here was just another 9 EMA trade where the lows at the time did not look good to me, and I was also trying to position for an IB low break. So I was trying to re-offer the 9 EMA and hopefully scalp some out and also target the IB low. It was definitely reactive here at the 9, so I kind of limited in twice. Scratched out one, stopped out one, and then I waited for this area, which is a slight taper area in the high time frame profile. I got stopped out again on slippage on this entry, and then I re-entered once I went back underneath my back underneath my original entry. So I re-entered, scalped out, and again just playing the 9 EMA today because it's been so strong. But also when price swept the IB low and reversed, that's when I should have changed my approach because that reaction down there was so strong, and the buying that came out of it led to about a 100-point 5-minute bar. But I still tried to short it. I tried it twice. First time was in between the 9 and the 20. That was just crazy. I was thinking they couldn't trade into this LVN at above the 640s at the time. So after that bar peaked above it, 640s, and rejected down, I limited in on this bar at 36, hopefully for the continuation back down to clean up the lows, which at the time had a bunch of imbalances. And then the next short again was at overnight low. We swept the high from 740 bar, tapped overnight low, and then reversed about 20 points. So I set a limit order here, put my stop where overnight low was. I got shoryuken. Instant stop out there. And then lastly, for me, I guess I felt like seller's last stand was to hold VWAP, and luckily it did, but it did take a few tries, and it made me more confident to execute here because the tape turned and we got all the way up here to VWAP, and now we're starting to see aggressive selling starting to kick in. Stopped out once. I waited for the tape to turn again. Tape turned red. I entered again, but I got a little bit. I dragged my entry down on this one. I actually originally had it here maybe, and I risked the swing high, but I guess I got FOMO. And I thought that this was it. That it was a peak above and then a sell off. So I dragged my entry down, which made my stop not really make too much sense. But at the same time, I didn't want to risk 25 points, so I left it at 12. Stopped out, and then it failed to break the swing high, so I was like, all right, I should still be good because the tape is now screaming. Shorted it, peeled them off, came back to my entry where on the footprint I saw someone slam 80 lots of selling, price couldn't get continuation higher. I re-entered short, peeled off most before the 9, and that's pretty much it for the day. I took like 12 trades. Stick around, see how the trades played out live. I mean, today's win rate was about 30%, but we still managed to come out on top because I only entered in areas where I knew I could manage my risk instead of widening stops. Thanks for watching, guys.
Order filled.
Damn, they really stopped me out and then they ran it.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Mama, I love you. P.O.P. all the time.
Order filled. Order filled.
Mama, I love you. P.O.P. all the time.
Order filled. Order filled.
Shit. Shorts are dead, I guess. Just got my back blown out twice on the way up here.
Order filled.
Short 798. Let's see how this plays out. I'm logging off if I get stopped out here. I'm dead.
Order filled. Order filled.
Hey, fucking hell, this trade is hella sketch, man. Oh, I fucking just added up here. I averaged. It came back to my entry at 8:10, and I added again and just peeled some off again. They failed the doji up candle, and so it closed in the middle and came back up again to the taper. All right. Oh, hell yeah, let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rip it, dump it, dump it, dump it. I got 3 left.
Mama, I love you. P.O.P. all the time.
I just have 2 left. I have 1 for right above a 9 EMA, but fuck, kind of want to take it right here. This shit looking scary right now.
Mama, I love you. P.O.P. all the time.
Take the last one at the 9 EMA then. Damn, it just hit TP. It would have hit my.
Mama, I love you.
Alright, boys.
P.O.P.
I'm
all
fucking
the time.
done. Holy shit. That was a fucking butt clincher.